In this module, we will look at non-charitable purpose trusts. A purpose trust is created for the fulfillment of a purpose, not for the benefit of a person. Accordingly, private trusts, which are not for charitable purposes, are generally considered invalid. Beneficiary principle. The beneficiary principle is an established English trust law rule, whereby, for a trust to be valid, there must be a human beneficiary, including a legal person such as a company, capable of enforcing the trust. The primary reason for this is that a non-charitable purpose trust will lack a human beneficiary to enforce the trust, should the trustees fail to carry out their duties. The main authority on this regard is the case of Morris and Bishop of Durham, where a sole executor was given wide powers in a will over the disposition of a gift of residue, a bequest in trust for such objects of benevolence and liberality as the trustee in his own discretion shall most approve. The court held that for a non-charitable purpose trust to be valid, the beneficiaries of the trust must be identifiable,